Hello, I'm the Budget Modeler, and this is a bit of a different video as I've got some tools I thought you lot might be interested in. These are from a company called 3D Gizmo, linked to the website in the description. It's run by a wife and husband team who were good enough to let me have these three tools to test. 3D Gizmo have been a long-time supporter of Models for Heroes, which is great, thank you guys. Anywho, if you're watching this, then please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like and ring my bell, that'd be brill. Thank you. First up, we have this angled stand. What's it for? It's for your extra thin glue, of course. It's so you can reach that last bit in the bottom a lot easier. What a brilliant idea, I love this. Now, we've all knocked over a pot of extra thin, haven't we? So, we'll give this a quick test. First, we'll tighten the lid on this one. Don't want this going all over the place, do we? And missed. That's not as sturdy as I thought it would be, but bear in mind, these are still under development. As a comparison, here's mine so we can compare them. The bottle just twists in the holder due to the wider base. I think this would certainly be better with a wider base. With that, I think they would have the perfect extra thin holder. Can't knock it over, you can reach the dregs of your glue, and the angle makes it so much easier to work with. I'm certainly changing over to this one. I think the opportunity to get the last of the glue out and the angle at which you're working certainly outweighs the risk of knocking over the glue. Bloody brilliant. Well done guys. Here's a question. How many times have you gone to your Tamiya or Mr. Colour paints and can't open them? Yep, lots of times. So here they've made a paint pot opener for Tamiya and Mr. Colour at one end, and the larger end is for the larger Tamiya pots. All you do is slide it over the pot and twist. I really don't have the grip anymore. Change hands and twist. There we go. This is perfect for opening those stubborn pots of paint. Another thing I'm going to be using a lot. Now, something I am not looking forward to. Painting lots of figures for the sub. Not anymore with this painting tool. Here's how it works. You remove this middle section at the bottom and blue tack your model to it. Once you've popped it back in, you can undo the red screw and loosen it. That allows you to rotate the figure. Simple and bloody marvellous. At last, a painting handle that doesn't need you to make a fist. This is so going to help me. My hands tend to cramp up if I've got to make a fist for too long, and I was dreading doing the sub crew. They told me that they're also going to be selling those middle sections separately, so you can change figures. A lot less handling of the figures. What a great idea this is. And there we have it. 3 tools that I will definitely be using moving forward. The link for the painting aid is in the description, but the other 2 are yet to go onto the website. You should be able to use the contact part to ask them. Anywho, a huge thanks to Dave and Kirsty at 3D Gizmo for allowing me to do this. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you like this sort of content, please subscribe to my channel, help it grow, like the video, leave a comment and ring my bell. Remember folks, stay safe, keep on modelling.